Today, I'll be making miso salmon. こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. This has been a popular recipe on my website for many years. The best part, it's super easy and delicious. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
In a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons of miso, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1/4 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Mix it all together with a whisk until there's no lump. If your salmon is not filet yet, cut it into 6-ounce portions. Then place the salmon in the bowl with the marinade, skin side up. Spoon the marinade on top of the salmon and make sure to coat the sides and skin. Cover and keep it in the refrigerator. Marinate 1 to 2 hours for filet up to 1 inch or 3 hours for thicker cuts. After 2 hours, remove any excess marinade completely with an offset spatula or butter knife. Otherwise, miso will burn during broiling. Place the salmon pieces skin side down on the baking sheet lined with aluminum foil and grease with oil. Put the salmon into the preheated broiler with the rack placed in the center position, about 9 inches away from the top heating element. Broil the salmon for about 10 to 13 minutes. If you prefer to bake the salmon instead, place the salmon pieces skin side down on the baking sheet lined with the parchment paper. If you are using an oven probe, insert it into the thickest part of the flesh. Bake the salmon until the thickest part of the fillet registers 130 degrees Fahrenheit, about 18 to 20 minutes. I usually serve miso salmon over ginger rice and top with toasted white and black sesame seeds and chopped green onions. Enjoy! いただきます。
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more videos here. How do you usually cook your salmon? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!